Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unmerge a task in ClickUp. So I'm going to take this task, for example, and I'm going to click the three dots right here, and I'm going to go to where it says merge. Click on that, select my second task right here, which is create a video, and I'm going to go ahead and merge it into this task. And as you can see here now, I have one task, and that task is within the task, right? In order to actually unmerge a task, guys, unfortunately, you're not able to unmerge a task. However, there is a workaround. So if you merge two tasks together and you're not able to unmerge them, what you can actually do is find the subtask, because what happens when you merge two tasks together, one of them becomes a subtask, right? And so if you want to unmerge them, just find the task under the subtask, click the three dots, and here you can convert that task into a parent task. So while you're not able to unmerge the task and it's not reversible, you can actually take that subtask out and convert it back to a parent task. And if I close out here, you can see that that's what it did exactly. Keep in mind that you may want to rename your task if you merge them together, and also if you convert one from a subtask to a parent task. You may want to change the name. But that's pretty much it, guys. If I open up the second one here, you can see that it is converted back to a parent task. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys.